Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D's news time. The matter still dey on ground, and as they boil, as the matter they boil, they come. As they just they boil, now so we go to give them to you people. You get the matter when still concern Atiku Abubakar and Jobrin Amino Sudani. Now the matter now we still day on. The matter still dey boil, ladies and gentlemen. Make we take time see what thing happen today. Now waiting then tell Atiku Abubakar alias to sell. I won't sell. So make we see waiting some group of people, what they call the coalition of minority tribe. Make we see what they tell Atiku Abubakar. This group of people, when we say they come out from nowhere, they tell Atiku Abubakar, say man, say Atiku Abubakar, say then give Atiku Abubakar 21 days ultimatum to leave Nigeria back to Cameroon. 21 days now they give Atiku Abubakar, say man, say Atiku Abubakar must leave that country where they call Nigeria. Say because now when they know say Atiku Abubakar na Nigerian na Cameroonian man, they don't need Atiku Abubakar in that country. Make Atiku Abubakar come beg Nigerian people. Say man, say him, make Nigerian people forgive him. Say now because of this issue, when we say Atiku Abubakar not be Nigerian person, now him make somebody like General or former General Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida not give Atiku Abubakar that position when Atiku Abubakar been the expert before. Say because it be like say Babangida know about the matter, say Babangida know about Atiku Abubakar real identity or true nationality. Now him make Babangida reject, say he no give Atiku Abubakar that position, what they call Controller General of Nigerian Custom. Say now because of this issue, now he make Babangida not give Atiku Abubakar, say he make him become Nigerian Controller General of the Customs. And so again, say that man what they call Olusegun Obasanjo knows. That is why Olusegun Obasanjo not accept make Atiku Abubakar succeed him the time when two of them they in power. That is why anything when Atiku Abubakar they do, Olusegun Obasanjo make sure say him block Atiku Abubakar. Say Atiku Abubakar not be Nigerian man. That is the reason why Olusegun say no, you cannot be Nigerian president. Plus the betraying when Olusegun Obasanjo they claim say Atiku Abubakar they betray him. But ladies and gentlemen, we are not saying that this same Olusegun Obasanjo will not know where Olusegun Obasanjo go do this wuru. This same man, when they call Olusegun Obasanjo, will not know where do this wuru. Go find Atiku Abubakar come out when Atiku Abubakar become his vice president. So if Olusegun Obasanjo no say Atiku Abubakar not be Nigerian person, why him can use Atiku Abubakar to be his vice president? Make you not see the deadly corruption when that country where they call Nigeria. Now, to these people when come out, Funky D say in get word for now. When they talk say make Atiku Abubakar go back, say una give him just 21 days to go back, to pack, go Cameroon with his family, may go reunite with his family when they Cameroon. So, if you now know say Atiku Abubakar not be Nigerian person, you not believe say he not be Nigerian person, which everybody know now say Atiku Abubakar come from Cameroon. So, as you know, they tell Atiku Abubakar, make him pack come out within 21 days. Now, so Funky D say, you not go tell Jobrin Amino Sudani, you not give him 21 days, make him show us his DNA test, so that we go believe say whether not him be Buhari or not him be Buhari. Because we know say that man when they Aso Rock na Mino Sudani from Sudan. So this group where they call the coalition of minority, when they are Nigeria, or whatever on they call on ourselves, we they call on, we they call upon on, make us still talk to Jubrin. Make Jubrin show us his true identity. Make Jubrin open his cap. Make Jubri come to television station to answer some questions, maybe within maybe 1 hour or 2 hours. And also make Jubri come out, come show us say, this one na my DNA test. So that time, we go know say, una they do better thing. Until when una ask Buhari, Abi Jubri, when they there, when Abba Kyari and Alhaji Mamadaura go bring from Sudan. Go import, come become Nigerian president. Person where we not know who him be, we still they talk about that Jubrin. We know say that Jubrin not be Nigerian person. So we they demand Jubrin to show us his DNA, so that we will compare him maybe with his children, with Buhari's children's DNA. That we go know say whether na him be the real Buhari or not being Bideri Buhari. Because una not go fit come and just they tell Atiku Abubakar say una give am 21 days to pack come up for Nigeria. And Jubrin, when una know say Mama Daura and Abba Kyari go bring from Sudan, they must still dey there. Impossible. So we they call on Jubrin Aminu Sudani as well to come show us his DNA. Or to go do DNA test. Make we see, make we know who in be. Because we know say that man not be Buhari. That man an impostor when they impersonate Alhaji Buhari himself. But now, una won't just use Atiku own. Funky, this is not defending Atiku, ladies and gentlemen. PDP and APC, they are devilish political party in that country. Obasanjo himself, now he using hand destroy that country completely. Because the evil when that Obasanjo don't cause in that country. Not be small thing. Now him made Atiku Abubakar, now him destroy Atiku Abubakar as well. Over how many years now, these two men done the quarrel. And at the same time, when he knows say Atiku Abubakar not be Nigerian person, he not talk him. He do uru, take Atiku Abubakar, make money, two of them thief our trillions, come out from our treasury. And today, now this same Obasanjo goes to bring back this Atiku Abubakar. See, make Atiku Abubakar come contest as Nigerian president. Now, I make Funky tell una say the katakata go the boss upon all of una. Now katakata go the tear una party together until all of una go run come up for that Nigeria. This man, what they call Jubri Aminu Sudani, Funky say, we not forget and we no go ever forget and we no go ever leave the matter. Say you be Jubri. And you they claim say you be Buhari. Aisha Buhari won't be the wife of the president. Don't cry out. Say make everybody, more man, stand up. But Nigerian people, they still sit down there. Aisha Buhari don't cry. Say chai. Why Nigerian men cannot stand up? Say we can get two retrogressive men when hijack power. Do Buhari waiting then do him. In fact, can't go bring this man what they call Jubri Aminu Sudani. So because this thing now when government of APC they do, this one don't show the word say that man when they there again, once again, they don't prove to us say that man when they there, not be Buhari. They don't prove to us again, say that man when they there. What they call Jubri Aminu Sudani, now from Sudan. Not be brave Buhari, because una no go use because say Atiku Abubakar they challenge una for court. Una go tell and say make him leave. Whereas all of una know before say Atiku Abubakar. Now when no say una cheat everything, cheat everybody, kill, go back to power. Now una they talk say una con they remember now waiting. We don't tell una before say Atiku Abubakar na Cameroonian man. Una con they use them now. They face him. But the first time when the Tory come out, una do like say, una no hear them. Just the same way we want to do for Jubri, we know say the Jubri issue must to surely come out. Before una inaugurate this man they call Jubri Aminu Sudani, Nigerian people they call upon una, say we need that man DNA test. We need that man to speak Fufude. We need that man to speak Fulani. We need that man to open his cap. We need that man to show us, to tell us who him be. That man when they there, not be Buhari. That man when they there, come from Sudan. That man when they there, from Kidise, we need to know who that man be. Since una don dey tell Atiku Abubakar, say make him leave Nigeria waiting 21 days. Or him go face waiting in no know. I say na this same Obasanjo, na him make Atiku Abubakar, na this same Obasanjo, na him destroy Atiku Abubakar. And this same Obasanjo, na him destroy Nigeria completely. The man when pledge loyalty to the Hausa Caliphate. Make una see as Obasanjo bad rich, even Obasanjo, make una see say Obasanjo not dey support any Yoruba presidency. Obasanjo not dey support anybody when be say he come from a Yoruba land, say he won't become Yoruba president. Na Hausa, Fulani, Alamajiri, Caliphate na him. Obasanjo, na them Obasanjo pledge loyalty to. You get? Now, Funkidi once again say, Mama Daura Abakiare. All the whole people when be say then they involved in this matter of this Jubri, including Osibanjo when be say no his left from his right. We say make una bring out Jubri, make him go do DNA test because that man not be Buhari, that man na Jubri Amino a Sudani from Sudan. And these people, when they talk, say, Atiku go. Make Atiku go. Make him go back to Cameroon. Yes, but we need Buhari's. We don't need the certificate now because this will not be time of certificate again. We need Buhari's DNA. We want Buhari to come prove himself. Say, Abi Jubri DNA. We want him to come prove to us, say, na him be Buhari. We want his DNA test, make him go do him. We want making open his cap, make we see him. We want making speak Fufude, speak Hausa, speak Fulani, make we see him. Because the way when the government, they cover, they do wuru, they cover this Buhari thing. Not the government, now the cabas. The way when they cover this thing, that one don't show everybody. The way when Nigerian government, they cover this matter of Jubri, that one don't show everybody. Say, this man, na truly Jubri, Amino, Sudani. You understand? The quiet when the Nigerian government keep about this issue of Jubri don't show us say that man.
You must show his certificate. You must show his DNA.
We want him to show his DNA. Make we see him. How he be. The way when they keep quiet don't make us know say this man not be Buhari. Now when Atiku won't open everything. In fact, Atiku, you they waste time. From this say, you they waste time. Make you hit this thing for ground so that everywhere go scatter. We want make everywhere scatter. Make everywhere in Aso Rock scatter. Why you they waste time? Now they don't attack you, say they won't send you back within 21 days. Make you go reunite with your family in Cameroon. That one never reach you to come out. That one never reach you to come and tell the world waiting there.
Calm down,
Why it can't be say APC, they still they get mouth to the talk. They still dey get mouth to dey tell Atiku say, because this group of people now when come and say, make Atiku, who are supposed come out, come tell the same Jubri, make him provide his DNA. Make him open his cap. Very simple. Very, very simple. To open your cap, not be difficult thing to do. To speak Fufude, to speak Fulani, not be difficult thing to do. To go do your DNA so that you go come up for this accusation, if they call them accusation, because this one a confirmed one. To do your DNA test to show the word, say, to prove the word, say, you be true leader. To prove the word, say, now you be the real Buhari, make you before this your fake inauguration. We demand so that before this your fake inauguration, make we see that your DNA test. Everybody in Nigeria just keep quiet. This same thing just woke me up this morning because I dey think about this matter, say man. So, they tell Atiku Abubakar say make he go. When they call on themselves, say be coalition of minority tribe. When they that Nigeria, when they call Atiku Abubakar, why you not stand up for Buhari and tell Buhari, we demand for your DNA. To prove say, now you be real Buhari. So the only way when we go believe una be say Buhari Abi Jubri should present his DNA. DNA, we need that DNA to confirm whether this man na Jubri from Sudan Abi na Buhari. But the way when on the act now, we don't confirm to the world, see that man na Buhari, na Jubri from Sudan. Even the whole television station went in that country, they no ask Abba Kyari anything. They no call Mama Daura ask him anything. They no call all these cabals. They ask them question. Aisha Buhari already don't tell us, say that man no be Buhari. Say na Jubri from Sudan. Because he don't beg Nigerian people to stand up against this impunity. Nigerian people, Nigerian men, they sit down. Aisha Buhari can't tell the ladies, say, make them stand up if the men refuse to stand up. Even also Banjo wife and other people, when the woman mentioned that day, when she did make that speech, when she makes amen, you know, say those people, they won't making compromise. The matter, but she no go compromise. So she must speak the truth. Say these people, say Nigerian men, including that also Banjo, all of them they go lick the shoes of the cabals in order to get appointment and position from the cabals. In fact, people they talk so Banjo na pastor, na prophet, na this, na that. But na the man then when they cause that the whole evil thing when they happen in that country, including his wife. So we they call on Jubri to provide or to present to us his DNA. Or open that his cap, or go television station, go speak Fufude, or speak Fulani, because the Jubri, not they speak any of them. Una don't deceive us. In fact, all these things then when they happen, both Babangida, both all of them, including this same Atiku, when they don't pursue and say make it leave Nigeria, all of them know the matter. Also Banjo, all of them. Bola Tinubu, all of them know the matter. So that is why Funky D say, we they call on this man, making sure us his DNA test. Because we not believe in Nigerian government. Nigerian government is fraud. And the fake, full of fake people. In fact, since when Nigeria don't they get presidency, when they get their president, all these northerners, when don't rule us, Funky D say, ain't not sure whether any of them a Nigerian person. That is why you see, say, everything when they happen in that country, they not they send us message. Everything when they happen, when they say we need change, they not they send us message. The only thing what they do now to they thief our money, to they steal our money, they put them for their foreign account. That's why you see all this killing, they not they send us message. These people, they're not be Nigerian people. All of them when come from the northern part of the country. From Kidisi, all of them na foreigner. That's why you see, say Nigeria not great progress. Look at Atiku Abubakar now. Now Kondo Atiku Abubakar na Cameroonian. He don't rule. That one not agree the time when he with Obasanjo day. Now the man privatize everything. Put for his hand. Say now he get everything, including the NEPA. When he come, they take the chop money. They deceive everybody. They import the generator. They say give people. Now this kind of man who now want make it still become Nigerian president. So Atiku Abubakar, get prepared, get ready to go back to Cameroon within 21 days. Jubri, get prepared within that 21 days. Again, from Kidisi, make you come show us your DNA. Because you are not Buhari, you are not Nigerian president. You are an impostor from Sudan. So when we say they call on ourselves, this name when they call on a coalition of a minority in that Nigeria. From Kidi say, make una rise up, go meet Jubri. Tell us say una the demand for his DNA test. Or for his DNA, so that we will confirm his true identity. That man, na fake man. That man, na impostor. Jubri Aminu Sudani. Ladies and gentlemen, here we will stop this segment today and we will continue to expose them. We will continue to talk this matter. They come. Make una make sure so they comment. Make una make sure so they share Funky this video. Share and scatter. Share and give all these people. Share and give Atiku Abubakar. Make him know say Funky D is in support for him to go back to Cameroon. And also in support for Jubri to show us his DNA, to prove himself as a Nigerian. All of them when the northern part, when the northern part of Nigeria there, when una don't rule that Nigeria, from Kidi say all of them are foreigner. That is why una hate Nigerian people. Now hatred when una hate Nigerian people. Now it make una not they care when our people they die. Now it make una not give us electricity. Now it make una not give us road. The only thing we una they do from this say now to loot our money and send it to a foreign account. That's the thing one day that they do. And God go smash all of our head one after the other. Funky D. Funky D. Make sure say you press that button. Get one best sign when they there so that anytime when I upload, go get them. God bless you. One love. Bye.